ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 2019 PWD ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ರಾಯಲ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್, so there are so many requests at this point of time also. So there is a notification from the KPSC for around 660 post for assistant engineer, 325 plus 5, that is 330 post for junior engineer. So based on this, based on the request from so many students, we are thinking of covering this some of the very important topics for the KPSC PWD assistant engineer and as well as junior engineer exam. So before going to that, just I want to, in this session I want to explain how many posts are there, what is the last date, what are the important things you should remember for this program. Okay, so already the notification is out. So 17/8/2020 the notification has been started. 16/9/2020 the applying application has been started on 17/8/2020. 16/9/2020 it has been completed. So it will be completed. So we are having 4 more days to apply for that, 4 to 5 days. Please apply for this. So you will be having 1 more day to continue to complete your payment things. So there are 600 posts for AE for general category students, that is general RPC, and you will be having for Hyderabad, Karnataka there are 60 posts and 325 posts for junior engineer, 5 posts for Hyderabad, Karnataka, total 925 plus 65, 990 posts for civil engineers. This time it is very good opportunity for all the students, those who are waiting for government job in civil engineering. So that's about that. Already you people have applied. So if you have applied in the last year, please remember this, this is very important thing. If you are applied in the last year 2019, if you have taken the exam or not, if you have applied, you will be having exemption from the fees, either 600, so 300 or whatever it is. So it will be accepted. Please remember this. So this is what ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಆದೇಶ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿ ದಿನಾಂಕ ರಂತೆ ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಮತ್ತು ಕಟ್ಟಡಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ PWD ಲೋಕೋಪಯೋಗಿ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಇವರ ಅಧಿಸೂಚನೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ರನ್ವಯ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಶುಲ್ಕ ಪಾವತಿಸಿರುವ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಶುಲ್ಕ ಪಾವತಿಸಿರುವ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರೇನು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆದಿರಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ, ದೋಸ್ ಹು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಫೀಸ್, ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಆಯೋಗ ಹೊರಡಿಸಿರುವ ಸದರಿ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ಶುಲ್ಕದಿಂದ ವಿನಾಯಿತಿ ನೀಡಲಾಗುವುದು. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪೇ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ 35 rupees ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ 35 rupees ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ದ 35 rupees ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಪೇ. So when you are applying, if you have checked that, if you go through that, if you click on that, apply for the new application. So when you are applying there itself, if you click on that, already you have applied, only the 2 or 3 clicks is enough for that. So if you click on the application submit, so by checking all the documents which you have been applied for that, by clicking all the information, if you click the submit, it will go to pay application fees. There you need to pay only 35 rupees. That's it. Then the syllabus you have the ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಡ್ಡಾಯ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ. ಸೊ 10th ಅಥವಾ PUCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಓದಿರಬೇಕು, ಮೊದಲನೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡನೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಆಗಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಓದಿರಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿರಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ಈ KPSC ನಡೆಸುವಂಥ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಡ್ಡಾಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷಾ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಈ 4 ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಕಡ್ಡಾಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆನ ಈಗ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಂಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಡ್ಡಾಯ ಭಾಷಾ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಡ್ಡಾಯ ಭಾಷಾ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 200 marks 1.5 hour, specific paper 200 marks 2 hours. So this is what most of the students, when according to my experience, most of the students, those who are coming for me to me that to learn whatever the base civil engineering or to preparing, those who are preparing for this PWD exam or any KPSC exam, they feel they will be having very good marks in this paper but not good marks in this paper. So those who have studied already some of the things you will be having, you can click on that, give more importance for this paper also. So you need to prepare polity, you need to prepare geography, history, economy and current affairs. These are the some of the important topics you need to study for that. So for the benefit of the students, I will be covering this paper also. So which are very important thing. No need to cover everything which is there in state syllabus books. No need to cover everything which is there in current affairs. So I will tell you what is the important thing, what are the questions you may be getting, that I will cover in this program. Next I will take this specific papers, 200 marks and 2 hours which is there, that also will be covering in this program. Maybe around for 2.5 months, we need 2.5 months, 2 to 2.5 months, let us say 2 months to 2.5 months we need to complete this program. So you also keep it in mind that after the notification, normally based on the previous IIR's experience, you may be getting 2 to 2.5 years or 3 months it will take, the exams will happen. So keeping that in mind, make your timetable and start the preparation from today itself. If you have not applied, apply it and come for this. So please keep on watching that. You will be getting the videos on daily basis. I will try to cover most of the syllabus in both papers. Thank you.